So today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Medi-Fast Lip Guard. I absolutely love these. I am somebody who suffers hugely from dry lips no matter what environment I'm in. I can be in Arizona, I can be in Nevada, I can be in any other state, and I'm still going to have dry lips. It's just how I am. The nice thing with this lip guard is it is the type of stuff that you're going to find typically in a first aid kit. So it is that good quality strength. Its ingredients are mineral oil, beeswax, vitamin E, which is really important for keeping things nice and moist, coconut oil, and pomegranate for flavor. So they have really good flavor. It's not like your typical medicated ones where you taste that medicine in there. They're nice and medicated. They really do soothe your lips. They hydrate your lips. They give you that nice good feeling in them. Comes in a 20 pack here on Amazon, and the nice thing about them is they are in these little convenient packs here. They're not tubes, unfortunately, but they do have this nice pack here, and there is a decent amount of that chapstick in there, sorry. So that way you get a good coating on your lips. You just break this and put it right down on your lips. Nice, easy to put into your purse, your diaper bag, your pocket, your wallet, wherever you're wanting to carry it, you can carry it with ease. Thank you for watching.